Hey guys, I just wasn't feeling it or anything like that. So this is a little bit past due. Um on my Birchbox. So yes, same box. This is like the third same box. I'm gonna give this to my mom. And I got other things so throughout this month. I got three things today, and I'm excited to show you guys. So, anyways, let's see what I have for this month in my June box. Very pretty. This is what I have. Alright, let's get started here. Alright, so we have. Alright, let's see if I can. No? Yes, okay. So I have this hydrating, hydrating cream, and rich. So that's what that is. I think I had this, but I never tried it. But sometimes I get some brands of different stuff from the brand. But the full size of this for the bigger one is $32. So that's what that is. I think that's cool. Cannot have enough um, hydration or moisturizer for this season. Oh, and then I have a lip liner. I'm going to give this to my sister because I don't use lip liner. Except I do have the other one that will look good with one of my lip doodads. But this is a pretty color, very brownish nude. Um, does it say? Oh, Twist Up Lip Liner. Shade 491. Full size is $22. Um, so yeah, that's what it says. Very pretty. I'll give that to her. And then I got another lip balm, a refill, a little doodad. I got this pink one. Um, the full size is $12, so I still have my green one. So I have another one. I like these because they're reusable, so you can take them out and get a refill, which is nice. So yeah, no scent to this one. Very fresh, very fresh. I really like these. Very smooth, creamy, moisturizing. Okay, next I have this. This works. This is a mask moisturizer primer. It's in transit camera close up. Full size is $45, so that's what that is. I might get this to my sister because I kind of wear makeup. I don't wear makeup that often. Especially it's gonna be summer. Anyways, and last thing, I got these um, gold eye patches or eye masks, excuse me. It just says they changed the packaging. It used to be burgundy with the gold, and the doodads are gold, of course. But they changed the packaging to this pretty color. It's very pretty. I like it. Last time they did this, I got eye patches from them. I got 2 packs. Now I just got 1 pack, which is nice because I'm not wasting. But anyways, the full size is $26. So yeah. And plus, this is like the best seller eye mask. That's cool though. So yeah, I definitely need these in my life. So that's what I got. Not too bad, not too bad. Just very short. Okay, next for the little bit of haul, I got this candle at Joanns. Sorry, I had to like rethink. It's on clearance, and it's a winter slash fall scent. mostly Christmas, is roasted chestnut candle, and I kind of burn it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like fall and Christmas. It's so light. It's a little heavy in my room, but it's still good. Anyways, this was clearance for $4.97. That's seven. Yeah, it's seven. So technically, I saved $20 or $24. That Bath Body Works. So I would like to do their sale, but you know. Anyways, and then I got this yesterday. I got this. I still kind of collect these, but I had to have this one because it's a Care Bear new bestie. It's the Togetherness Bear Love All, and it's so cute. And it has the um, heart on the hands and also the feet, but they never had it on the hands. But this is so cute, so cheerful. She is thriving. She can be whoever she wants to be. So yeah. Okay. On to I got today. So the first thing, I'm so loving watching people's book hauls or that kind of stuff. And I read, not read, well, kind of read. Yeah, I read the sample of this book on my iBook on my iPad, and I'm like, oh my god, I need this book. I seen people talk about this book and a little bit of the series, and I'm like, oh my god, I so need this. I got it at Walmart. It was the last one. It was for something. I'm like, what? Now I can read this. And also got at Walmart, and these little guys. So these are 2 or 3 in here. So I got those. And then went to the book place after having like a late lunch type thing. Me and Mom went to the dollar store. Nothing there, sadly. Then we went to the bookstore next to the food place. I had to. I had to. I had to. There were some other ones that I saw that I seen on TikTok or people talk about on YouTube. I seen one Colleen Hoover book, and then at Walmart they had one of her books and one of her new books, and I was gonna get one of her books, and I saw this one, and so now I have that. Now I have to. I think I'm gonna start reading. I might start reading. I have some good books for reading. Anyways, and then hopefully the third book I will get. I think in August. I thought somebody said, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I think that's it. Yes, I tried to take some. I went through my books a couple of days ago or so, and I took them to a bookstore that has new and used books. And you get take your books there that you don't want and give credit. They took some, and then I have 5 other books. I tried to take to another bookstore. They weren't open yet, but I'm like, that's okay. Plus, he had a schedule of getting new when it's good to go and bring your books in. So he doesn't need new books right now, which is nice. It's nice that some bookstores will put a schedule, let you know when it's time to a-okay to bring your books in, stuff like that. So hopefully next time or in July, whichever, no problem, I'll take the rest of my books and get credit on those or so. So yeah, first time giving away books. It feels good, and it's good to get new books. So I'm kind of started reading. It's hard to read in the summer when it's so ugh. Anyways, I think that's all. I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna kind of slowly eat my dinner, even though we had a late lunch. I have food behind me, and it's Wingstop, and it's driving me insane right now. So I'm not mad about it. Thank God for water. Anyways, I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys Tuesday. Tomorrow's a holiday, or today was a holiday, whichever. Anyways, yeah, don't know what else to say. I love you guys. Be safe, and hope you guys, dads, have a great Father's Day. If you lost a dad, I'm so sorry. Um, love you. Hope you're doing well. And yeah, okay. Bye, guys.